Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is a much overdue, basically a 90-day, the 90-day driving update on the clutch saver overhaul kit. Did the overhaul on my car, and I've been driving it for about 3 months now with the kit in it. And a lot of people requested an update on how it works, how it feels, if there's any kind of difference in the clutch. And so that's what I'm going to do today. So the 996 turbos have a problem with the clutches feeling mushy and with the slave cylinder leaking either up by the front left tire or directly underneath the vehicle. And this kit that we've developed solves both of those issues, to my surprise. Actually, I was only hoping to fix the leak and get functionality of the clutch slave itself. But we also got a better feel on the clutch. And when I say a better feel, I mean it's very, very predictable. It's very, very confidence inspiring. When you press on the clutch and you start to release it and it engages where you expect it to engage. When you can anticipate where it's going to engage. That part I didn't expect. And I think that's attributed to the internal O-rings more than the main seal, the number one main seal and the number two main O-ring. Those two O-rings are usually the ones that are responsible for failing and causing the leak by the front left tire or the leak underneath. Front left tire is usually number two O-ring, and number one seal is usually responsible for the leak underneath the car. So the kit fixes the leaks, it restores functionality of the slave cylinder, but it feels phenomenal. It feels much better than it did before I did the overhaul. Now, I want you guys to judge for yourself. I'm going to shut up for a while and let you actually watch how I can control my shifting. I want you to focus on the shifting, how it sounds when it engages, and how I can completely control the engagement point. And you can tell, those who understand driving a stick, you can tell by listening whether I'm guessing or whether I'm going like, like it revs before it engages, like that, or like I'm doing it too like that. You're not sure where it's going to engage. But as I shift, listen carefully, I can completely and easily control the engagement points. Here we go. Very predictable. Even coming back down. Fourth, third, second. Very nice. Very easy. Sweet. Watch again. Very predictable. Very repeatable. Takes your mind off of worrying about trying to figure out where your clutch is going to engage. You can focus on driving. So now I'm going to give you a nice one here. All the way through. Here's first. Whenever you want. So yeah, if your clutch has failed, I would strongly encourage you to get yourself the clutch saver overhaul kit. The kit has been redesigned from OEM to better stop leaks, especially in cold climates. I specifically specified the correct materials. I've redesigned the geometry of the number one seal so that it seals better and longer than OEM. and it's a lot cheaper than buying a whole new clutch, especially whole new clutch slave, especially if it's gonna fail again anyway. So this has been my update of the Renfix clutch saver. Go ahead and pick yours up at renfix.com, amazon.com, or ebay.com and rebuild your clutch slave for a better clutch feel and no more leaks. Thank you.